Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the unboxing of Eppendorf SmartBlock PCR 96. So as you can see, this is the Eppendorf SmartBlock PCR 96 kit. As you can see, it comes with the catalog number 5306000006. So the lot number and the serial number are present here, and at the bottom you can find the manufacturing address and all these other details. So let me show you the sides of the kit. So guys, this is the top and the front view. Let me open this for you. So let me open this for you. So as you can see on the top, there is this Eppendorf SmartBlock instructions for use. You can see the instruction manual here, the Eppendorf SmartBlock instructions for use. You can see all these details over here, how to use the SmartBlock PCR 96. Well, so let me keep this here. Next we have the Eppendorf certification. The certification for the SmartBlock PCR 96. You can see it contains the serial number and each and every details. So this is the certification, and then we have the SmartBlock PCR 96. So let me open this for you. Let me open this. So as you can see, so this is the Eppendorf SmartBlock PCR. So let me open this. So let me keep this aside. Let me keep this here. Let me arrange this for you. Guys, this is the Eppendorf PCR 96 block, smart block. As you can see, it will open here. You can see, it's the back side of it, front side of it. So you see, it's very handy. It goes on top of the thermal cycler C machine. So guys, this is the entire unboxing of Eppendorf SmartBlock PCRs 96 accessory. As you can see, it comes with the Eppendorf PCR 96 block, the Eppendorf certification, the SmartBlock instructions for use, and with the carton box. So thank you.